Hello, students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 10, Shadow and Eclipses, and the topic which we will see today, that is artificial satellite. Now, what is artificial satellite? Artificial satellites are man made machines that are sent into space to orbit planets like Earth. Now, my dear children, we will learn about the first artificial satellite known as Sputnik 1, and this was launched by Russia in year 1957. This is Aryabhat, India's first artificial satellite. Now we will learn about the types of artificial satellite. The first type of satellite is communication satellite. These satellites are used to relay televisions and radio programs. They also help in sending telephone signals to far off places. Weather satellite. These satellites help to predict the weather. They give warning of forthcoming storms, cyclones, etc. Remote sensing satellites. These satellites take photographs of the Earth and help scientists to study the features of the Earth. Scientific studies satellite. These are the satellites that help scientists to study outer space and galaxies. Now, children, we will get a closer look on artificial satellite, how does it actually work, and how these types of artificial satellites are used by us and make our life easier. Okay, children, as we can see, artificial satellites are man made objects in space. They are used to study Earth, the solar system, and the universe. These satellites are made up of computers. In the satellite, cameras and solar panels are attached since they work on solar energy. The first artificial satellite Sputnik 1 was launched by Russia in 1957. This satellite orbited the Earth for 2 months and 3 weeks, after which this satellite got destroyed in the atmosphere. There are more than 2000 satellites around the Earth in present day. They help to get us the different information about weather, about universe, about space, and about Earth. These all satellites are very different from each other. There are different kinds of satellites categorized according to function and the revolutions. So, let us get a quicker look on it. When we watch a live match which is streaming in other country, so how do you think we are able to watch? Do you think the wires are connected to the cameras in the stadium? No, my dear. This is absolutely wrong. Here works the communication satellite. These satellites receive the signals from the place where the live auditions or live match is going on. Then this satellite transmit answer back to the other of satellite known as geostationary satellite, which complete one revolution around the earth in 24 hours. Geo means earth and stationary means not moving. So those satellites which are not moving from the orbit but it is moving with the earth. There are another kind of satellite known as research satellite, which is helpful to study about the earth and the universe, as we humans keep studying about the earth and the universe. Basically, it also helps to give the information about the earth and atmosphere. So there are satellites which revolves in 24 hours, and there are satellites which also take time more than a day to complete one revolution. Do you think why? Because these kinds of satellite makes our life easier. They basically helps to navigate the person. For example, when we do online order, then we are able to find the location, routes and maps. We use map and everywhere we are able to get the route. These are just because of satellite. What happens actually, these satellites are connected to each other and we get the signals. And when we use the map, then at a single moment, four satellites transmits the information to us. So my dear children, I hope it would be now clear that how these satellites make our life easier, and these artificial satellites plays a very important role in human life as well as knowing the earth and universe. Thank you children.